Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Civil Softwares, where you can learn all the softwares related to civil engineering. If you are new to this channel, so please consider subscribing. So let's get started. So guys, today I am going to explain you how to calculate the area in Autocad. It may be object, it may be plan. I will show you both. So first do the page setup. I will remove the grid move and I will set the units. You must know on which unit you are working. So keep it to meters and press OK. Keep it in mind you are working in meters. So my drawing is set to meters. Okay, now for example, take a rectangle and draw a rectangle of unknown size. Okay, now you want to calculate the area of this rectangle. Now there are mainly two ways to go to the area command. The first one is press AA in the command line or area and press enter. You will be entered to the area command. Now select all the 4 coordinates of the rectangle and press enter. Now the area is 380.8668616 square meters. The area is showing in square meters, guys. As your drawing is in meters, the area is showing in square meters. So now you can select the area from here also, guys. See, you got the area command here also. Then you select all the 4 coordinates. It will be showing the same area. Press enter. See guys, the same area is shown. Now draw a circle. Okay, you want to know the area of this circle. How will you get to know the area of this circle? You don't have any coordinate points. On which point you will select? So for the points, guys, go to area and you got the command here, object. Press O and enter. Select the object of which you want to calculate the area. I will be selecting this circle. See here, guys, I will select this circle and the area is shown 1011.0495. Note it down, guys, for reference. Okay, now 1011. Okay, now you want to convert that square meters to square feet. Okay, now press quick calc, QIC, quick calc, or normally you can type calculator. You will be redirected to this dialog box. Now here, guys, units conversion. Press on unit conversion and scroll down. Now you want to change the units, guys. Here press area. You got a in square meters, so keep it as square meters only. Now you want it in square feet. Press OK. Then what was your value? 1011.13 something, and press enter. You will get the converted value in square feet. That's it, guys. You can change from area, length, volume, angular. You can change from many units. That's it about the area, guys. If you find this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos. Thank you, guys.